All right. Anyway, so screw the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. How the daily look, man? Just another back to a bearish engulfing candle confirmed, but your first actual test, chat. Okay, your first actual test of 41,986. What was that, dude? Remember that time? 84 years ago. Just kidding. Just January 8th, 2021. You tested it now, where you had not done it even Saturday. Wait, yeah, Saturday. What is it? Sunday? Yeah, it's Sunday, right? Okay, cool. All right, so you back tested it. Now you're holding it. You're testing it again, and you haven't dumped through it yet. So cool. Just remember, whenever it happens, whenever Bitcoin decides to pivot and make a higher low, we will get hidden bullish divergence on the daily. A low. Whenever you make a higher low than 37,775 or so, you will get a continuation implied. So give me a third consecutive higher low. That's fine with me. So rallying today off of that support. Wow. That's it, dude. I wish there was more trouble. Let's look at the weekly. YouTube stream offline. What are you talking about? I still see people like talking on YouTube. What are you talking about? That was crazy. Yeah, it's all crazy, man. This is what happens when I try to stream on multiple platforms. It seems like it is happening. Stream crashed or something. That's great for concurrent viewership. This sounds like I'm suiciding my entire streaming career by doing restream again. Oh. It's cool though that Bitcoin's holding support right after a back test. Go to the weekly. Nasty weekly close. I mean, just a gross week. The great news is it didn't mean anything. I mean, it's just, yeah, it's a red candle. Is it a bearish engulfing? No, it's nothing. It's just a nasty red candle. It doesn't mean crap. It wasn't some sort of Japanese candlestick, right? It was just a red candle. And I think in the weekly, as long as you stay above 38, 39K, all is well. No problems. And that's it. Ethereum? Go Ethereum. Ethereum's a different story. Ethereum was a very, very real bearish engulfing candle. Undeniable. Yeah, last time you saw a bearish engulfing candle was January 17th. Well, you got one again. And I just don't know how this is going to go. I don't know with the Nasdaq and futures. All we knew is yesterday, some of these effing altcoins, if Bitcoin didn't just collapse, then they'd be okay. They were in pretty good spots, but you know how that goes, man. Weekly bearish engulfing. Hidden bullish divergence still there. Still building positive momentum. Nice.
2-week retest candle on BTC.
2 week. I don't know, dude. 2 week on Ethereum is nothing. Like nothing happened on the 2 week. That's funny.
All good, Mitch. The race stream made me tune in. Smiley face.
Why? How? I don't even believe that. I don't believe that at all, dude. Nani stream for you. I changed it, man. I changed it. Let me know if it changed. Brad, thank you. What's up, Perp Skirt?
Smile.
Thanks for the Twitch Prime sub, dude. Thank you. Okay, 2 week is a joke. Nothing happened. Like, it's all still really strong on the 2 week. Crazy, right? What an engulfing. What a bullish Marbazoo, kind of, almost. What were you talking about on Bitcoin on the 2 week that I never look at? Nothing happened. It was a massive green candle and nothing happened. It was really nothing. The 2 weeks, fine, actually, technically. And that's it. What were you saying, though? What'd you say? Two-week back test. That means that Bitcoin would have to go all the way down to 38.8 or something like that. What's up, the president? Thanks for the Twitch Prime sub, dude. Thanks, dude. Welcome, man. Welcome. Yeah, Twitch, dude. Twitch. I'm such a Twitch streamer, man. I am Postal, dude. Did somebody gift somebody something? Is that what's going on? Something probably. I don't know anymore, man. Oh yeah, Mr. Peabody. Thanks for the gift sub, dude. Thanks, man. Mr. Peabody, Flexicoins master. You got so nervous when I didn't go live? Yeah, I know, right? That's bad. That's me going live way too much. If you get nervous when I'm not going live, there's a problem. It's not healthy, man. What I do is not healthy for anyone, or not for me anyway. It's healthy maybe for everyone who watches, but not me. It's so bad for me. But here I am. Bitcoin, Ethereum, your 2-week weird request, kind of. There it was. Nothing happened, and there's no problems.
Act as the previous highest close.
Back test the previous highest close. On the 2-week, you said. Oh, right here? This high? I get, man, maybe. Dude, I don't know. You know, the wick high from January 4th, 2021 might be good, right? Maybe, dude. Maybe. You might be onto something. Okay, all in moon, right? We're going to be okay. Sure. Sure, dude. I mean, dude, look, again, if you hold 42K, all will play out. Everything else will be fine. Hidden bullish divergence will come in on a back test, and it'll be unbelievable. It'll be so effing good, all right? You're not in trouble till you fall below 40,665. But as long as you make a higher low than like 37.7, it is a macro higher low no matter what. So you could dump even more, and you'd still be okay. Actually, technically. That's it. Excuse me. Oh, already getting copyright claims. Thank you, dude.
Mitch. Time for some vacation. Miami stream was lit. Have a good week, man.
What's up, Reddit? Yeah, there's not enough hype, dude, for Miami stream. Yeah, it's more like a go to the mountains and forget about effing crypto and charts for a while. Stream, you know. Here's Ethereum on the daily. I'd like to see it about 32.72, but it's not there yet. You know, the daily 4 hour, it's a bear flag, but like daily, I don't know if it looks like that. Really, you know. I think like if it stays below 32.72 long enough, you're going down to 3K. The 4 hour, how the 4 hour? It's like a bear flag. Good God, dude. Like it's. But what were we talking about? If you just extend on long enough, and the flag becomes larger than the pole, then it's not really a bear flag anymore. It's like the rule. So nice bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour though. Just terrible. Like really, like one candle. Like as soon as futures open, what trash, dude. Gotta please get some price action that's not a complete effing loser. Like for once in our effing lives for 2020. I mean, let's be real, dude. Since 2020, like. Anyway, you're okay. You're fine. Dude, you could go down to 2,900 and everyone's panicking. You're still okay. As long as you make a higher macro low than 2,500, everything's fine. There's accumulation signatures. So that's it. I mean, you come down to 3,000, all will be okay. But for now, let's see what happens, man. Not a good candle, right? Start the week. What a scrub. All right.
The legend Arthur Hayes from BitMEX predicting 30.000 BTC and 2,500 ETH in June. Haha, let's see.
Such a legend, dude. Thank you for letting us know. Let's go to BNB. Let's just get this over with, man. Okay, BNB below 428.40. It's okay. It's gonna be fine until it makes a low lower than 360. Cool. And that's it. dude, it's just gonna be grindy. It's well off like the lows, well off the 886, well off 332, 350. And let's just hope it makes a higher low, like Ethereum and Bitcoin do, because they could keep selling off and, you know, scare people away, but just make macro higher low. That's it. And hidden bullish divergence will appear. That's it. That's literally it. Nasty weekly bearish engulfing candle. I mean, that happened. Yes, bearish engulfing. But still insane amounts of hidden bullish divergence. And you're about to go neutral positive, maybe, hopefully. Unless the Nasdaq collapses, and then maybe not. So tired, dude. Okay, BNB, and what was next? What was like number 4? Sol. I mean, it really didn't even do anything yesterday. Even with like big dump on Ethereum and some of Bitcoin, Sol didn't move at all. And it's just hanging out. I mean, it's at the same price it was pretty much at 4 days ago. You know. Yeah, it didn't move. It didn't do anything. So it's just sitting there, same thing going on, and it could go. It'd go to $78 and it could be making a double bottom. But as long as wherever it bottoms out at, as long as it's higher than the previous low, it'd be hidden bullish divergence and all will be good. All right. XRP. You know the theme of the story here. Can't make a higher high since a year. So trash. Trash until it actually does something that makes it not trash. Because sure, it could be set up for higher prices all day, but no one cares until it actually does it. So, cool story, bro. Maybe make a higher low again, and it'll be going on since June of 2020. You know, you'll be making higher lows, but it's all about the higher lows. But what about the higher highs, man? You haven't done it, man, in a very, very long time. I'm not even kidding. It's ridiculous. It's just bad. Very bad. Cardano. We're waiting on this one. We're seeing what Bitcoin does, but Cardano is starting to it's getting to those points where it's like, as of yesterday, day before, we got to pay attention to it, right? We got to put it on the watch list and make sure it makes those inverse head and shoulders. It starts pivoting at this level and maybe starts rallying here or something, separating from that inflection point, and then it could be actionable for a long. And you got to see it start pivoting so you could start developing hidden bullish divergence. On the oscillators, it will be here. I mean, it's setting up for much higher prices if Nasdaq and Bitcoin don't collapse, which we never know, because guess what, man? The markets are literal dog crap. The macro is terrible. Oh, spiking commodity prices, yield curve inversions. Poor people can't afford anything, dude. Nothing. I don't know how poor people can afford anything now. Like, everything's so expensive. Herman Miller chairs like 50% up since 2018. Everything. Everyone's poor. Like, most people are poor, man. Like, it's just the really, really rich people capitalized. You were fortunate enough to do that, and then everyone else is poor. So, sure, maybe Cardano will save everyone's lives, and we'll become rich off of Cardano. But yeah, I don't know how the Nasdaq like just miraculously recovers and goes to moon. I hope it does, man. Because if not, you know what's gonna happen. So. Okay, Cardano, and then Luna. Ooh, Luna bearish engulfing candle on the daily, breaking that. Okay, really? Unless something changes, I think you could be seeing $76. If we catch any kind of fall through here. Yep, this one showed bearish divergence on its highest high ever. It was 30 cents, 29 cents off of like the 120 target. And from there, from the top, it's down. Like 23, 24% in less than a week, man. Welcome to crypto.
Still rolling the like the Jesus.
What does that mean? Thank you, Pope Fox. Rolling the reel. I don't understand what that means. Thank you, dude. But grateful either way, you know, just. Okay. So there are your big ones. I guess we can look at the futures now. We got total. Wow. No point in doing total, dude. What's up, Anonymous? Thanks for the stainless steel tumbler. 20 ounce, dude. 20 ounces of Kingdom. Thank you, dude. Cheers. Okay, this chart right here, looking at it, I'm trying to hold on to that high from March 1st, 2nd, but historically it normally makes more sense to go to 1.78. Even though it made more sense to go to 2.2, but that 200 moving average was way too much. Couldn't break it. But in the end, all that matters is this asset, all it needs to do, this fund, whatever, this aggregate of many different charts, needs to just make a higher low than the previous lows and all will be well. Macro higher low than effing $1.66 trillion. That's all you gotta do. You do that, one low, two lows, three lows. Oh yeah, you know what happens after the third low. Insane happen. Insane resolution, whether it's dump or pump, man. So that's all we need, man. That's literally all we need, man. Just give me a higher low no matter where the selling goes on Bitcoin, Ethereum. You cannot give up on these assets until they make lower lows in 37.7. That's it, dude. Okay? Hidden bullish average will develop, and that's it. Nice.
Crypto_hoarder tip $1,024.70. I am out right now, but see you are live. Just saying hi. 0.32000000 ETH.
Crypto Hoarder, thanks so much for the $1,024.70, man. Thank you, dude. Holy crap. Don't know if I deserve that. But I appreciate it, man. Thank you. If you're out right now, that means you can't hear me, but thank you, dude. Maybe you'll hear me later on the replay or something. But much love, man. As always, super grateful, beyond grateful. I'll never be able to use words to articulate my gratitude. So I'm just saying, man, I'll never be able to. Like, it'll be like, oh, screw this guy. He's not grateful. I can't show it. I can't say it. I can only use words and, you know. I mean, I guess the only, like, what we're going to do, be like, you tip me a certain amount, I do some other random stream. I become a piece of bread. You know, we were going to do 53K Bitcoin, you know, like, do I do that? Do I just become a piece of bread just because Crypto Hoarder? You know? Right, like, I could express my gratitude by just changing the stream up where I'm not me, I'm something else. I'm a piece of bread, or I'm a potato, or I'm a zucchini, or I'm a piece of bacon or something like that, you know? That's what I could do. Hey, you guys following on Twitch, you know what you're getting yourself into? What are you doing over there, man? Thanks for the follows on Twitch. What's up, dude? Oh yeah, make our look.
LFG. Mitch, the fam loves your kid. Enjoy and live your life and take time for you, but we appreciate you, Lord Ray.
Weapon Tie. Weapon, thank you for the $20 contribution. And I appreciate the kind words. Appreciate the support, man. Dude, it's just, I've been getting so burnt out lately, man. The price action is so bad. Price action is gut-wrenching. Like, for a streamer and a trader, it's just been rough, man. It's just bleeding out. It pumps and it bleeds out, loses 60%, 50% of the entire rally that we saw, and it keeps doing that. But the great news is, no matter, like, dude, you understand this could, if it like held here, what could happen, how it loses the negative MOBA, and then it's just the continuation applied. So you just got to persevere somewhat longer, and some good things could really happen, man. But I think that's the market trying to do that to us. It's trying to fatigue us, trying to just wear us down. nub us out. Yeah. Historic reflection stream. How do you do that, dude? What is that? What is even that, you know? No emotional connection in the market, straight as sure, but as a streamer, it's a different story. It's a way different story, man. There are multiple other metrics, you know, involved with streaming every day. It's the Malays, Scott Carney Malays, yeah, dude. And sorry about the Illumia, it was off because I was doing the green screen the past couple days, but it's back on. So if someone tips, the lights change. Anyway, so what we got on the new day? We got Doge that killed it yesterday. Doge just making higher lows. Doge is just right back at that 15-cent area, man. Yeah, that's right. Call the cops. I'm looking at Doge, like 5th or 6th on the day. Yeah, no, I never look at Doge, but still though, it's like Wild Coffee, and that actually worked, dude. Don't tell anybody, all right? Our secret. So you break 15 cents, you go to 17.8 cents, and that's literal evidence, empirical evidence that happened like 3 days, 4 days ago. But then as soon as it hit it, it reversed. So you're just right back at that, butting up against that resistance. You break it. I think you go to 17.8 cents again. So cool to see that Momo shift. You got Monero up on the dude. Monero doesn't give two craps about any of your Bitcoin crap. All right, this is a nice asset. Right? Oh no, the future's dumb, Ethereum dumb, Bitcoin dumped, and then who cared, dude? Look at it. Bullish engulfing candle on Saturday. Yesterday indecision candle, and look at you just sitting here up 1.25%. And 283, 292 is a target. Such a winner, such an effing winner. Put on a bullish reversal seminar down here. Like just everything you could dream of happened. And from that spring back test, asset currently up 54%, 34 days. I think it's pretty good. But I don't think there's just more upside on this thing. More upside. Let me try to find the actual little setup here so you can see it. Yeah, here it is, dude. Like, so this is just, you know, I mean, it was February 25th, though. Right, it's just like sitting here, you know, it's sitting there, it's the second low, there's bullish divergence, right? Doesn't it seem like a pretty good idea right here? Like that's the argument I have is not crazy. I mean, please go talk to some guru who's way smarter than me, way more successful than me, who would talk crap about me. Someone who's an influencer on YouTube, dude. Go talk to them and tell and be like, is this a dumb idea? Was this stupid? You know? Was this dumb, chat? To think about it, just to like even post as an idea, an inflection point, second low, bullish divergence on the oscillators, both of them at the pattern completion zone of a bullish butterfly. I mean, is that crazy? Is that psycho? Stupid? Okay, well, there you go. I mean, first target hit. I did it, man. I did it. Yay. So we're working on 2 and 3. 262, 296 in time. So I love the privacy coins. Obviously, the world, the market participants love the privacy coins. They're doing way better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Way better performance. Zcash too. Zcash been killing it, man. So whatever, you know, looking at this, here's, speaking of Zcash, another better performance. Look at it, man. It's just ridiculous. Off that second low. One low, second low, a very critical support. Shoot, dude, from May last year. You held it and you just... Now, you can't break a resistance. That's very real. I mean, you're at 170, 176. You just can't do anything about it. You're stuck. But just make a higher low than previous lows. They'll pivot. It'll run again. The trend will continue and you'll be all right. All right, 228, 300. $300. And hidden bullish divergence trying to rear its head. A low, much higher low. Much higher low is negative low. Continuation applied. Okay. That's it. No, I did not watch the Bitcoin conference. When I went to the Bitcoin conference last year, I learned nothing. I'm just, look, dude, I like crypto. I think it's the future. I'm not smart enough to get it, I guess, but I believe in it, and I believe in the people there that are investing their mind and time into it, you know? But I like charts. I guarantee you, most people who are into Bitcoin don't give two effing craps about what I teach here. So it's like the same thing. You go ask some Bitcoin maximalist if they went to a TA conference and they give a crap about that, they would say, no, I don't give two craps about it. See what I'm saying? So it's like, whatever. I'm in technical analysis. I was in technical analysis way before Bitcoin. So whatever, but I like Bitcoin because I believe in it. I think it's the future. I think decentralization is the only way to go now. Oh my God, all the crazy psycho autocratic bureaucrats that exist out there are just stealing everyone's rights. Yeah, I can't go too far, man. I gotta leave it. I gotta leave it alone. But yeah, it's the only way for us to, to survive. For any sort of freedom to survive, crypto is the only way. Yeah, imagine thinking a central bank digital currency is the way to preserve freedom. Nope, it's not. Terrible. All right, anyway, Dude, Batman, come on. Wherever you dump, just make a higher low than the previous low. The closer you get to 66 cents, the closer you are to a perfect inverse head and shoulder idea. All right. No, Diamond Dave. It's probably because I'm on Twitch. Probably because I'm on Twitch, dude. Yeah, dude. Like, I think I'm about to just stop. I'm not going to do restream ever again. This is so dumb. Like, the amount of viewers I have on YouTube is literally like, these are 2018 levels. 2019 levels. Yeah, this can't sustain. I'm not doing this. This is so dumb. You want to make me quit streaming? Just keep this up. Yep. Keep up my viewership being devastated by bullcrap. Yep. Maker's just right back down to that very critical area, that support. Hopefully you can hold it. No idea if you will, but you're okay. Okay for now. A lot of upside on this one. If Bitcoin holds, who knows, dude, whatever. Nasdaq crashes, then Bitcoin's screwed too. But you can't tell me that's not a pretty nice level. Yep, that's it. I don't know, I'm just looking at some of these assets that were like top gainers on the new day. Sandman, I don't like this price. This is trash price. This is not really bullish to me. I don't like the way sand looks at all. It's just look, in downtrends you make low, you can show accumulation in downtrends. What's a bear flag? What's a rising wedge? This thing's just not doing well. I think it's trash and it could get ready to dump again. I wouldn't be surprised. I think this can go down to 120. It's sand, dude. It's sand. It started out really well, but I'm sorry. When you just continue on and you just dump like this and you're right back down the same level, I just don't like it, man. Just trash price action. Lower highs than the previous high. It's just bad, dude. Manic. We're getting close to not making a higher low, right?
Bullish deep crab on TWLO. Anchor point X, November 2020.
I don't know. We'll look, dude. Okay, thanks. Sure. Nah, dude. Bob, I'm not a legend. I'm certainly not a legend. Okay. I don't know why you would say that. That's ridiculous to say I'm a legend. All right, I'm not. Okay. Yeah, higher lows until now, you know, until soon when it doesn't make higher lows. I guess hidden bullish divergence if you make a higher low than the 132. All right. We'll see. I don't know, man. I don't even know what some of these prices did yesterday, so I can't really see. Because, like, you know, everything's changed. We'll just keep going. Vechain. As long as it stays above 5.56 cents, it'll be fine. It'll be okay. I think a back test would be normal here. That'll be healthy, right? You go back test 6 cents, it'll be fine. Hidden bullish divergence will develop. Blah blah blah. Yeah, went over all this like yesterday, right? So okay. OXT, same thing. It's like it's fine. I mean, yes, bearish engulfing candle. Technically, yes, confirmed yesterday. But we've already gone over this, like the 50% swings in a day, 3 days, over like 20 times. Yeah, you know, in between these levels, you could expect it almost. But as long as it makes a higher low than the low of 21 cents, it's gonna be fine and eventually see 34 cents. What was that request, man? Oh, let's look at the futures. Hold on. Give me a sec. Yeah. Oh, I'm so surprised, man. S&P futures not doing well on the new week. Yeah. Technically, right now, session lows. I mean, dude, I hate the S&P 500 below 45.50. I hate it. I think it's trash. I think it's a loser, and I think it should probably see 42.77. Why not? Why not? Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. Straight down. Oh no, that's crazy talk. You can't talk like that when it's only ever done that. It's insane to say that it couldn't do it again. Oh wait, you're crazy. Nah, dude, you could see 42.77 again, and it wouldn't be weird at all. It would be the most normal thing ever. That's it. So you wanna know Bitcoin, Ethereum probably going with this stupid index fund that's not bullish. Yeah. That's it. Now we can look at the other features. I wouldn't even worry about following on Twitch, dude. Don't worry about it. Oh, just another lower high. I mean, can't break the 200-day moving average. Just do this, chat. Just do this. Oh, wow. A third consecutive lower high. Failing to break the 200 moving average again. Nothing makes sense until it sees 33.6. Why would it not go down to 33.6? It probably will. I mean, come on, man. Like, look, the high, the undeniable lower high, the undeniable higher high on the MACD histogram. I'd ask what that is, but no one's going to answer. So, because it's all whatever. But, and you know, hidden bearish divergence on the oscillators. So implying a continuation downward. You can't be surprised. I mean, really, man, just almost, just so close, dude, to this, too. Come on, really? A bearish bat pattern. Here's your bearish bat. There it is, man. There it is. Your bearish bat pattern, a bearish trend, kind of outperform. So I'll see you at 33.6. Unless some bull crap happens. Money printer go burr. Money printer's gone, dude. They're reducing the balance sheet by like $85 billion a month, and they're going to keep raising interest rates. That's recession. Welcome to the recession, dude. Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. Interest rates up. Stock market's down. Someone cue up the effing Country Boy Can't Survive song by Hank Williams Jr. And he sings about it, all right? That's what happens, dude. You only get mugged if you go downtown. Something like that, okay? Awesome. Someone show me a higher high, higher low, and then we'll talk. But until that happens, get wrecked, dude. What was the, oh yeah, Nasdaq, NAS 100. I got this. USD. Oh, yeah, dude. I mean, give me a break, man. What'd you do? You just rejected the 200-day simple moving average again. And you're just dumping. You're down 0.65% on the new day, the new week. And why would you not see 14K?
Can you take a gander at Zion, me lord?
If you want to see XYO, By all means, man. If you think that's going to do something different than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Nasdaq, good luck, dude. I'm not trying to make people scared, dude. What does me speaking about reality have anything to do with your emotions and fears, dude? That's so unfair to say you're scared. How? Like, what am I saying that's not real? It's all real. What I'm saying is real. It's not Rudy Poo emotion fake. It's real. You have failed to make higher highs on these index funds, right? We do have yield curve inversions, multiple ones, right? We do have commodity prices spiking, parabolic runs. These are all real things. So anyway, Nasdaq going down to test these levels, and if they don't hold, you're screwed. If they do, maybe there would be an argument for a potential inverse head and shoulders. Sure, I hope to God, I pray to God it happens, man. Pray to Jesus tonight. Jesus, will you please let the Nasdaq 100 futures hold above 13,900? We'll see what happens, but it's not up to Jesus, all right? It's up to market participants. Don't put this on Jesus, all right? That's it though. It's probably going down to test that level, and I hope it holds, all right? I'll pray for it. That's it. That's it, dude. All right, let's go to Russell 2000 futures. Again, I'm trying to think. Let me try. Maybe it's on my watch list. Hold on. Oh yeah, US 2000 USD. That's right. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. I'll just tell you this, dude. I mean, like, this is pretty effing bearish, is it not? You ran up and, like, you know, the spot price was okay, not good anymore. You know, it rejected the support, but you can clearly see what's happened here. You have, it's Wyckoff distribution phase E. You have now successfully back tested the bottom of the range as resistance, and you're rolling over. The target on this, I think, if this is real life and not a joke, I don't see why you're not going to 1744. Okay, the target is here. This is your eventual target, man. There, that's the target, dude.
Just a thank you for everything. Best community.
Beat Jedi 101. Thanks for the 8860, man. I really appreciate it. Again, I'm not trying to, like, I'm not fear mongering, dude. If these things are making higher highs, higher lows, I wouldn't be talking like this. They just aren't. They're not making higher highs, higher lows. They're making lower highs, and they're about to make lower lows, and you're gonna find out. You'll see it. You'll see it, dude. Don't worry, rip to boomers retirement. They'll all flood out of this market. Won't go into death spiral until the quantitative easing comes back. You'll see. Oh, all these companies, they're gonna buy back and do stock splits. None of that's like organic growth. That's all bull crap, trash, to try to induce buying. It's not good. Like Amazon did a split, Tesla did a split. Those don't do anything. That's artificial bull crap to get idiots to buy. That's it. There's no other advantage to doing these things. Okay, that's all they got left. They have nothing left, man. Just like the Federal Reserve ran out of things to do. They got no more quantitative easing they can do. There's zero interest rates. Inflation is super. We're in super inflationary environment now. Very bad. And now you got equity prices dumping. So you're about to go through stagflation. But yeah, you can thank everything that's happened on all this. Oh yeah, you want to see junk bonds, SJ and K. Well, that was the old trade setup, right? The old amazing trade setup. It was perfect. You want to see some nasty stuff, dude? Why don't you take a look at the SJ and K, the SPDR short-term high-yield bond ETF. Okay, so we go here, 2017, 2018 crashed, right? That was the volatility crunch, then the COVID crash, and then this called it. This called the top. This literally called the top. Again. It was like Short, right here. It was a short trade setup at like 27.25. And it dumped. And it's been dumping and it's about to go back. Look at the only reason it bounced was because, yes, there was a support there. You're heading back down to test that again. Hidden bearish divergence. If you break 25.64, look out below. There's nothing there. Nothing, dude. Yeah, high yield bond ETF, short term high yield bond. It's just bad. Like I don't even know what's gonna happen. You break that, there is no support till 24.05. What's gonna happen to the markets when that breaks? You know, November 2021, right? November 2021. And it began, and then it rallied one more time, and then collapsed in late December. So, what's going on, dude? What's going on? Oh, wow. Jeez.
Crypto_hoarder tipped $509.71, 0.160000000 ETH.
Did you not even make a message, dude? You're just... He didn't even make a message. I'm disappointed, all right? I am very grateful for the contribution, but I'm disappointed that you didn't say anything to chat or me. You just tipped to be really nice, and I'm very grateful, dude. Cheers, all right? Thank you, man. Holy crap. $1,534.41 on the day. I could certainly imagine that's it. All right, I mean, that's $1,534 more than I deserve right there, man. Thank you, dude. Holy crap. Dang. Love that guy, man. I don't even, but I can't articulate it. All I can say is like, you know, we got to do some sort of potato stream or something, you know? I'm a piece of potato. Or something, man. A something. I'll do a something. I don't know, man. So this is really bad, man. S&P 500 futures. Look what you're doing. You see that 200-day moving average? You're below it now, and you're like selling off. You regarded its resistance today. It's just so bad. The downside potential on this asset where it is now. There's 4.2% downside.
Is that a joint?
An index fund dropping 4.2% is not really good. Okay. Curio Stream. I already did that. Did that in Vegas, and it was extremely, extremely embarrassing. And I'll never do it again. Okay, I had a couple people request something, so we looked at the index funds. Let's take a look at gold. Remember, gold had a great close to the week, holding above very critical supports. Not a good start to this week. That's okay, right? You see, it was like, oh man, it was rolling over, and then held 1921. What is 1921? Again, just for, I'm only going to show it just for the newer people. Right there. September 2011. You held it. It took like a week, over a week to do it. And you started separating, but now you're just sitting there. You're down 0.28%. But I'll tell you this, man. Based on previous recession, nothing did well. I mean, in terms of like, you're asking like for metals to play a hedge against a recession. I'm sorry, dude. If you go back in history, I can just show you. It didn't go well at all. It did front run. Okay, here's the 2008 global financial crisis. You know, gold from its high to its low, it lost 33% of its value. It's not that bad. But I'll tell you what it did do from that previous low down here to its high. 88% retrace. Scott Carney would be like singing, you know, right here. It was a bullish bat pattern before the reversal. But this was terrible for equities, but it was terrible for gold and silver and all the other assets. And before it did reverse, what was it, 2 weeks, I believe, or 2 months before equities finally bottomed out and recovered. So it did front run. It did front run equities on the way up by a couple months. But you can clearly see in a recession, it did not really fare well at all. And just come on, man. Look, really, for real. Let's just be real here. Do I even have to do it? Bearish cipher. There's your bearish cipher. Okay. I mean, you know, it all ends with a W shape, right? Anyway. So I'll just say, you're okay above 1921. You're fine. And I think you like there's hidden bullish. There's an edge. I mean, go back to history. That's fine, but history is not exactly present. So I'm just saying there is hidden bullish divergence about to complete. You're about to go positive, it seems. But yeah. All right. So we look at all futures. Let's go to there's a couple of requests, I guess. It was TWLO was first. Oh my god, dude. Terrible. Oh my god, dude. Forget this thing. Just move on, man. Move on with your life. Go get married or something, dude. Go get a girlfriend. Don't worry about TWLO. Look out, fill the gap. You know, congrats on its rally. But that was one time. So maybe you get down to 123 again. I wouldn't even look at this asset again until you hear a beep that you're getting down to 123. All right. But even there, dude, I don't give a crap about it. I get it. It's an 886. It certainly is an 886. All right. I don't even have to chart it to know. And yes, bullish bat stuff. Yes, you're right. You're so right, man. I'm not going to argue with you about that. Just plot it for everyone to see, man. Oh, I'm sorry. It wasn't 886. It was an 868. Okay, 886 is right there. So it technically hadn't even hit the pattern completion zone for real. That would be at 115. I don't even think 115 makes sense. I think $89 makes the most sense here. Right? That's it, man. Like there's a peak from 2018 there. There's a valley from 2019. That's the target, I think. $90. 88.88. Let's just say that for fun, okay? Sorry, man. This is a request. Someone spent money on this, so I'm looking at it, and I'm just trying to be better about it. Try to feel better about it. I'm just looking at it. I'm just not really feeling it, dude. Rejecting that, falling below that, that's terrible. If it would have held it, and the macro wasn't literally looking like it's going to roll over real bad, maybe we'd speak something differently. But for now, I just can't feel good about this. I don't think it's quite ready yet to put in the oven. Thank you. My God, dude. I gotta find something with more data, I guess. I don't know. Someone's gonna be like, dude, I need more data. Dude, look at the one with more data. As I analyze this one for 30 minutes. I gotta figure it out, man. Hold on. Nope, same data. How about this one? How about Zobo? No, they're all got the same data. There's nothing I can do then. And it's just like, I'm stuck with this. I'm doing all I can, man. All right? Don't get mad at me, man. Okay? Here's your XYO to US dollar tether. What does it do? It always loses. It's coming down to 1.789 cents. I guess the candle opened from when it got listed September 9th, 2021. All I did was make a lower high in the previous high, and it's rolling over, and it will continue to dump as long as Bitcoin dumps. If Bitcoin can't get it together, if the index funds can't get it together, this is screwed. It's screwed, man. I mean, maybe at 1.789 cents, it could pull it together. It could be a back test of spring. But that means it's got more value to lose first, okay? Jacob G, you ain't got to tell me anything more about the index funds. We know they're trash, dude. They're bearish. They don't look good.
101 tip $23.60. NVIDIA 8, please. Everyday bad price. I have overinvested by a lot.
Yeah, that's what it's called when you buy tech stocks after tech's done. Yep, we'll look at NVIDIA if you wish. It started out really well, but bearish conditions, man, not so good.
What it needs is a solid base.
Dia's doing things. Wow, man, good for it. It deserved to do good things, man. Dia deserved to do things. For real, man. All right. I don't know what to tell you. You told me to look at XYO, and I say maybe at 1.7 cents something good happens. That's it, though, dude. Like, what else you gonna do, man? It's making a lower high in the previous high.
Ain't gonna keep it from blowing away.
And that's it.
What it needs.
It's not a good chart, really. There are better charts that exist out there than this, okay? Oh, there are definitely some charts out there that are on nasty, amazing bull runs, okay?
Blowing away.
Whoa, dude. Thanks for the 1,000 bits.
Just cuz.
Thank you, Gail. Who's on the leaderboard over there on Twitch, huh? Who's over there? Oh, 36 viewers. It was so worth me coming over here. So worth it. Hey, but at least y'all know, just so y'all know, at least you can see I updated my Twitch for no reason.
Matt current tip $24.
Look how cool the graphics are now.
XPR.
Whoa.
Proton 0.007600000 ETH.
So Macron, thanks to 2430 of Ethereum. Yep, sure. Well, look, dude. Which it looked fine. It looked okay. Yeah, I can't help the macros trash, and everything's beholden to it. Yeah, it's nasty. This is not indicative of a bull market. It's really not. Even though if it does make a higher low, it's going to be okay. But that's some nasty selling. Really, really nasty selling. Now, you are back testing the old high from September last year. I hope it holds. If it does, it'd be a successful back test and could rally to much higher prices. But for now, yeah. And even if it does, if it pivots here, hidden bullish divergence would develop. NVIDIA just reminds me of Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's like, sure, dude, if it pivots above the previous low, a bullish edge will develop, and that's it. What's up, Mr. Crypto Jack? Thank you for the 100 bits, man. Oh my god, I'm gonna retire now. Thank you, dude. That's it, dude. Below the 200-day moving average, just disgusting, right? Since the top. Wow, what a nice morning doji star. That's a beautiful bearish morning doji star. Yeah, you're down 20% in 10 days. That's crypto losses type stuff, right? That's terrible. But, dude, again, all it does is make higher lows. If it does it again, it'll be king. It'll be great. Yeah, it's going to be tough, man. The way the index funds are, it's scary. If the index funds dump, this thing dumps too, right? You would think. I hope it doesn't. But dang, man, that's rough. That's really rough. Okay, XPR, Proton, which is a crypto that looked effing promising, as a lot of them have and still do, but any more bearish price action from index funds, it's going to be over. Everything will just get invalidated, but you're still safe for now. Apparently, you're okay like a fruit flies. Okay. Can't wait for Better Call Saul to come back, man. Soon. Next week or almost like 8-9 days from now. Yeah, here you are, dude. XPR. I hope it just makes our look. I don't know. Oh, man. Yeah, Proton. Screwed if everything else is screwed, but if everything isn't screwed, then it'll be okay. It'll make hidden bullish evidence, but barely. I just hope it makes a higher low than 9.28 tenths of 1 cent. That's all it's got to do, but something's telling me maybe it won't. I don't know. I'm not here to tell you that I know where something's going ever. Even if it looks like it might be. Like, this is a setup that if in the summer of last year when the money printer was going bird, this will be Jesus pattern. Oh, wait. It literally was a Jesus pattern. It did play out. It literally went up and went insane. But in these market conditions, when the money printers stop burring, we know that. They're offloading money off debt off the balance sheet. They are raising interest rates. You're not the same environment that you were in summer of last year. It's over now. Like, the party is over. They want it to be over, because if the party's not over, then inflation continues to run away. So what Mark, would you rather have an inflation run away, double the inflation from now, or would you rather have a recession? Because you have to pick one. You pick either recession or inflation run away. Super inflation goes super duper inflation. Which one you want, dude? Well, the Fed's decided they want a recession. I agree. I'd rather have a recession too. I don't want poor people not being able to afford bread. Like, that's where riots and violence is happening in Sri Lanka and Peru right now. Okay, that's and actually in Shanghai, in China, that's happening too. If you didn't know, for different reasons, they're literally locking down. They're psycho. I think they're trying to literally murder their own people. Like, communist China. Imagine like caring about social justice in America, but not giving a crap about what's happening in China to the Uyghur Muslims. Oh, but now their own people. Like, yeah, okay, what a hypocrite. Don't even just shut up about your political opinions on things if you're not even going to talk about that. You'll talk about stuff here, but you won't talk about what's going on in China. Okay, dude. Hypocrite. All right. So we're in different market conditions than we were in when it bottomed out and went insane again. So that's your XPR, dude. Matt Cron. Thanks for the contribution, man. That was the last request. Well, LeBron James, dude. Dude, look at this, man. Look at the Nasdaq right now. It's at session lows, man. It's down almost 1%. You're headed down to 14K for every reason that makes sense. It doesn't make sense to not go down to 14K or 13,900. It doesn't. Don't be dramatic. Yeah, genocide and communist China going on that media doesn't talk about, or celebrities who think they're so better than everyone else, right? They don't talk about it. That's being dramatic. Oh, wait, that's not being dramatic. That's literally, again, talking about reality. Okay. Go watch another Hollywood woke film if you want drama, real drama, okay? Look at this, dude. Oh yeah, index funds will kill crypto. Like, it's a risk-on asset, man. And Nasdaq is the epitome of risk-on. And really, like, the Nasdaq or the Qs and Bitcoin are like correlating to a 90%. 90 percentile. That's right. The Chinese communists are locking people in their homes and disappearing the rest. They're killing dogs. There's video footage of this stuff. Like, oh, it's not like, oh, it's conspiracy, man. Like, I can't even believe that people would try to defend the communist Chinese. It's only because they would just continue to want access to their 2.1 billion people, their sheep. That's their money, right? That's all it is. Thanks for the Twitch subs, dude. Oh, did we get some gifts or something? We get gift subs, man. Hey, I am Gail. Thanks for the 5 gifted subs, man. Appreciate it, dude. Yeah, people care more about a fake, bullcrap, dead, woke Grammy show, whatever that crap is. People pretending to be other people. Ooh, let's watch that and care about that. No one cares about it, dude. Look at their ratings. They're almost worse than my ratings now. Oh. But I don't know, man. I just, you know, we're looking at this is the star of the show, dude. You look at the index funds and there's more downside, clearly. It's implied downside. Turn off the stupid saxophone, man. Oh my God, look at this, dude. Look at the Russell 2000 futures, man. Awful. Just awful, man. Session lows and lowers coming. I don't think nothing makes sense on this crap. I mean, maybe you bottom out here again at 1900, but I think eventually you're going to $1,700 in the Russell 2000. This was Wyckoff Phase E, and it is complete, man. Good God, dude. Can we get some hype in the chat, I guess?
Crypto_hoarder tipped $508. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay wasting time. 0.160000000 ETH.
Can somebody see if that was a song? Are those lyrics to a song? Or is he literally on the dock of a bay watching the tide roll away? As he's literally being lyrical, he's writing songs for the future. Thank you, dude. That was very introspective and made me think deep. My God, I just had an epiphany, man. My life has changed forever because of that contribution right there. Dang, man. They are lyrics. It's an old school tune. Somebody tell me what tune it is. Dock of the Bay. What's the name of it? Tell me. Think Crypto Hoarder, though. For real, dude. Holy crap. Jeez, dude. Otis Redding. Go on. Go on. Is it a song? Okay, it is a song. Someone tripped on mushrooms to it. Well, that's good. Good news. Someone that, you know, there was a song. Yeah, dude, we're in trouble, man. Dock of the Bay. All right, we're gonna play it. We're playing it, dude, and you're just gonna listen to it. I've never heard this in my life. It's probably not appropriate for the stream.
Sitting in the morning sun.
I think I've heard this song. Oh, I've heard this song. Everyone's heard this song, man. This is so apropos to the index funds and the futures, though, right? I mean, this is us, man. The dock of the bay, man. We're going to 1744 in time, dude. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. It's a good song, dude. We're just gonna sit back, relax for a minute. 5 people are watching anyway, so get the F out anyway, man. If you can't handle 2 minutes and 30 seconds of a song, dude, my God. I've had nothing to live for, and look like nothing's gonna come my way. So I'm just gonna sit on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. What's the tide, chat? You know the tide is. It's the money printer. The tide is the money printer in this situation. It's over, dude. They're not printing any more money for a long time. So what you gonna get me? Oh my God, they're gonna get me, dude. My 30 viewers will never recover from this. Get that F out of here, dude. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do. So I guess I'll remain the same. Yeah, those purple-headed mods really watching the stream, dude. Sorry, I'm not a threat to their stream.
2,000 miles I roam just to make this.
No, if they need votes, they'll make sure to cause a panic to where mail-in voting becomes a thing again. Okay, you'll see. That's what the communist Chinese, I think, are doing, trying to make everyone freak out in the West. They're so weak. The leaders are so weak, they'll just follow the communist Chinese leaders' way. All right, whistle it, baby. This is Crypto Hoarder. He's the one whistling right now. Okay, that was him. I think it was a good job, dude. That was him, dude. Thank you. So, I'm still taking a look at the futures, and it's just gross. Just gross, man. How's the largest Europe? How was the largest economy in Europe doing? Well, look what happened, man. You know, oh, V-shaped recovery, by the way, and then look what it did. It actually, you got a back test. All right, you back the Deutsch 30. You back tested was once support as resistance, and you're rolling over, and there's certainly a hidden bearish divergence on that histogram, and you've just begun to build negative momentum. So you can imagine this is going to follow the United States index funds. It will, for sure. So you're going down, and it's already like, it's like a certainty that Germany is going into recession. Like, you don't have to be an economist to say that. Like, who would argue with that? Like, what economist? Like, they actually said they lowered their guidance on their own gross domestic product by 33% after the Ukraine invasion. If they've done that, that's all. Like, I mean, I get it. It's like, oh, it actually has to happen. What's going to change, man? They're like so dependent on, like, they're screwed. Like, Germany's economy is so screwed. They're going into recession, and it's indubitable. Like, there's not even a question about it, man. I think the U.S. is too, and I think they're lying too. They're not going to tell you about it till the index funds have lost way more value, till you're way more underwater. I mean, right? Oh, dude, we're not in a recession, dude. Okay, I bet you they were saying that. I don't know. I was a drunk kid in college going through pledgeship, you know, when the recession happened, global financial crisis was going on in 2008. But I could bet money people were telling you that the recession wasn't here yet. Everything's fine. It's just the gully, man. Yeah, before, like, you were already dumping. You were already making lower highs. You were already making lower lows. But people were still in denial saying, no, man, we're not in a recession, man. Everything's fine. Sure, it was the same environment back then. So good luck, Germany. You're screwed, but I wish it wasn't the case, man. Dude, it's like, people like, I'm not even like, I don't hope this happens, dude. But you can't argue with the lower highs, lower lows. You know, the good thing is, I guess, Bitcoin's trying to outperform them. Yeah, buy Bear Stearns. What a joke, dude. Kramer was telling you to buy Bear Stearns. Hey, there's literally video evidence of that, right? Oh yeah, dude. They've been gaslighting like crazy. How could you believe anything they tell you? They were literally telling you. It's a meme, dude. Inflation's transitory. No, it's literally high. It's super inflation. Not transitory, super inflation. And then all the corporations collectively together decided to screw us too, because like 60% of the actual inflation, the inflation in prices, comes from corporate greed. They have record profits. They use this whole inflation thing as an excuse. Like, they took it to another level. The greed, it's unreal. It's unbelievable. But it's not translating into higher prices on the charts, which is scary. The index funds are still rolling over, no matter how much they increase their profits, man. It's wild. Yeah, I don't even think Bitcoin's the one to watch right now. I mean, I get it. Everyone's obsessed with Bitcoin. I don't know why. I guess a lot of people their first market they ever participated in was Bitcoin, so they're obsessed with it. But I think really, like, if you want to know what Bitcoin's going to do, you just look at the futures, the stock futures, and that's and it's really like the Nasdaq. Look at the Nasdaq, chat. Do you see what's happening? It just keeps dumping. It's at its session lows as I'm speaking to you right now. That's not me scaring you. That's literally real life. It's at its lowest price since March 18th. Wow, we're at 3 weeks now. And again, nothing makes sense until you get down to 13.9 to 14.1. Man, inverse head and shoulders, we'll see. It's certainly not an inverse head and shoulders. We'll see what happens. What happens if it breaks through 13.9? Then what are you going to see then, dude? Nothing. Can that be an inverse? See, can that be an inverse head and shoulders? It could be a potential one, but it could also have no way. It could be no. Like, it blasts through 13.9 like it was a joke because we're in a recession and it's not funny, you know? Crypto Hoarder's actually sitting on the dock of a bay. Hope everyone's doing all right. I don't even know if he could hear the stream. I don't even think he knew that I played that song, dude. Yeah, 200 moving average is killing everyone. Dude, that's what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin did the same thing to its own 200. Ethereum, right? They go up to a 200 moving average, fail. You reverse there, and now look at you. Yikes. Big yikes. Correct. Stock buybacks are not real productivity. It's Rudy Poo. So are splits. Those are dumb. That's like to usher in really stupid, dumb money, dude. Dumb money. At it. I just like, another classic distribution structures going on. Classic distribution, man. That's just not indicative of a bull market. I just wish. Do you understand? You get it, right? Like, if you just look, hey, oh my God, we crashed and then we V-shaped. Show me a time on the Dow Jones when we were making lower highs, lower lows consecutively. We weren't doing that. We're doing that now. We're doing that. Great stream. How is it a great stream, dude? It's a terrible stream. It sucks, man. No one's watching. We're at 2018 levels of concurrent viewership. This whole Twitch thing's turned into a disaster. Everything's rolling over. Everything's falling below supports. That's not a good stream, dude. Not a good, terrible stream. Jeez. Yeah, Restream's about to get axed real quick, dude. I'm about to be done with it, man. Because ever since I started restreaming, we haven't had viewership this low, and dude, you don't even know, man. You have no idea. Dude, when this song's so trash too, why does this even exist as a song? Should be. Thank God. Well, DeLaw, that's your fault, dude. That's your fault. Look here, dude. That's a notification on Discord, dude. There it is. That's today.
Rodney tipped $24.24. Happy Sunday. Just
that's yesterday, dude. That's yesterday. Everyone, Discord, everyone.
To get caught up on what I missed.
That's
Thanks
everyone,
for daily
dude.
streams
Everyone.
and educational TA. 0.00763031 EDH.
Oh, thanks to 24, dude. Yeah, dude. Sure. Trying to catch up when you missed. Yeah. Index funds rule the world, and they're trash. That's it. I think I'm gonna delete restream tonight. I'm done with this. I'm sorry, Twitch. It's just not worth it. It's like I'm not gonna lose like 40% of my YouTube audience because of streaming on restream servers. I'm just not gonna do it anymore. I'm not doing it. I'm getting like probably shadow banned. There's something wrong. Like something's off. It just I knew it. It was happening back then. That's why we stopped doing it. And I just had to make sure. I just want to try again. I was just trying to be open-minded, and I'm clearly seeing how terrible it is. We're about to be exclusive on YouTube again because something's wrong, dude. Something's off. I'm not doing it, dude. Okay, I can't do this, man. So I've been live like an hour and 30 minutes. Bitcoin's out of support, but it's just gonna fall in Nasdaq, dude. It's just gonna fall in Nasdaq. So as long as it makes a higher low than 37.7, it's a macro higher low and everything's okay. But that's a long way from now. So I appreciate the likes, the love, the support, everything in between. Crypto Hoarder is literally the Jesus man. He's so good. Like, I can't even believe it. He came and tipped $2,042, and it's just like unbelievable. I don't feel like I deserve it, man. But he's a freaking legend, and that's it, dude. Right? Shows what kind of person he is, man. So I'll just be back on YouTube only ever again, unless I get banned on YouTube. This is officially me saying, you can go F yourself, Restream. Your trash platform that cannibalizes. I don't know what it does. You ruin everything, though. It ruins everything. So I'll be back on YouTube exclusively. I'm sorry, Twitch. I tried, man. I gave it a shot. It's terrible. Till next time. Respect. The T. Hey.